Hey guys, Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and we're standing on a brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 23 Outrage. The 23 Outrage is a new model for Boston Whaler. It's got a lot of great family and fishing features. We're going to touch on some of these real quick. This boat has dual live wells, one in the transom and one under the seat. Whether you're fishing or family boating, you can dedicate those as storage, as insulated storage, or of course you got live wells with it. Full bolsters all the way around the boat. Great seating aspects on this boat. You've got a nice 5-position flip-flop seat here at the helm. So if you're entertaining out at the sandbar or trolling, you've got a nice comfortable rear-facing seat. Speaking of rear seats, you've got this nice bench seat back here on the transom. Flips out extremely easy. If you look here at the hardware is super durable. That is classic Boston Whaler. You'll be able to find hardware like that on every single model of Boston Whaler. Moving forward, you've got great gunnel bolsters. You've also got nice tow rails at the bottom to dig in and bolster yourself to pull up fish. You've got great in-floor fish boxes also. Here at the helm, this particular boat's powered with a 350 Verado from Mercury. With that, you get digital binnacles. So this, your throttle here, shifts easy and smooth. You've got all access to your pumps and lights here. You've also got a Mercury Vessel View 4 right here on the dash. Access to your Fusion stereo with JL speakers and your windlass control. Also standard Linco trim tabs. Moving into the head, this is important for a lot of families, is having a head area. As you can see, you've got a nice, easy to use head down there, and also your bow table stores down here. Moving forward, you've got a great console seat. Double wide console seat, 2 people can sit up here very easily. You've got another cooler up here in front of the console seat. You've got more in-floor storage there, and another storage box up here in the up here in the bow that can double as a cooler. Drop-in bow table here. Bow bolsters and seats are available, and then easy access to your windlass and anchor rod and chain right here. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to come down to MarineMax Jacksonville. Have a good day.